Welcome back to Health Equals Wellness. In this video, we're talking about something that can change how you eat and save you time and money. The benefits of meal delivery services. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent on the go, or just someone tired of the grocery store grind, meal delivery services are the ultimate game changer. We will include 6 lesser-known meal delivery services that cater to specific dietary needs, such as gluten-free, vegan, and other dietary preferences. Let's break it all down. Chapter 1. Spend less on fresh ingredients. One of the biggest myths is that meal delivery services are expensive. But think about how much you spend on random groceries each week. With meal delivery kits, you get exactly what you need for each recipe, no more, no less. That means you're spending less on fresh ingredients because you're avoiding those impulse buys and over-purchasing. Every ingredient in the box is portioned for the meal you're cooking, so there's no waste and no extra cost. Chapter 2. Accessing promotions and deals. Most meal delivery services offer killer discounts, especially when you're just getting started. From first-time buyer deals to referral discounts, there are always ways to score a bargain. Some companies even offer loyalty programs that help you save as you order more. If you're strategic, you can bounce between meal services, racking up deals and promotions, paying way less than you'd expect. In the comments below are links to a few of the best meal delivery services that include great offers and pricing. Check them out. Chapter 3. Eliminate food waste. We've all been there, buying fresh veggies or a whole pack of herbs, only for half of it to spoil before you get the chance to use them. Meal delivery services solve this by sending you pre-portioned ingredients, so there's virtually no food waste. Every carrot, every spice packet, every cut of meat is exactly what you need for that recipe. This not only saves money, but also helps reduce your environmental footprint. Chapter 4. Avoid trips to the grocery store. Does anyone enjoy grocery shopping? Not me. Meal delivery services take away the hassle of multiple trips to the grocery store. Imagine never having to spend your weekends navigating crowded aisles, lugging groceries home, and waiting in line to check out, only to get home and realize you forgot the one ingredient that you needed to make your meal. Meal kits show up right at your door, saving you gas money, and more importantly, time that could be spent with family, watching your favorite show, working on your side hustle, or just relaxing. Chapter 5. Ease of cooking and multiple dish cleaning. With meal delivery services, you're not spending hours chopping, measuring, or figuring out what to make. Most recipes are quick and simple, with step-by-step instructions that take the guesswork out of cooking. And because everything is pre-portioned, there's way less mess. You only use the tools and pans you need, making cleanup a breeze. Plus, some services even offer pre-cooked options if you're short on time. Chapter 6. The health factor. Eating better. Without the hassle is beyond saving time and money. Meal delivery services can help you eat healthier. Many services offer diet-specific plans, like keto, vegetarian, diabetic meal plans, or low carb, making it easier to stick to your health goals without spending hours meal prepping. And because everything is measured out for you, portion control becomes automatic. No more over-serving or guessing how much you should eat. Chapter 7. Flexibility and customization. Worried about getting bored with your meals? Don't be. Meal delivery services often let you pick and choose your menu each week, so you're not stuck eating the same dishes repeatedly. You can swap ingredients, choose meals that suit your taste, and even adjust your portion sizes. This flexibility ensures you're always looking forward to your next meal. Many meal delivery services have shorter supply chains, sourcing directly from farmers and suppliers. This can reduce the carbon footprint by cutting out middlemen and avoiding food sitting in storage or being transported multiple times. Let's look at 6 lesser-known food delivery services that specialize in vegan, gluten-free, vegetarian, Mediterranean, and pescatarian. First up is Green Chef specializes in keto, paleo, gluten-free, vegan, vegetarian, and Mediterranean. Green Chef is known for its USDA-certified organic ingredients and meals tailored to various diets. Their gluten-free and vegan meal plans are trendy, with diverse and flavorful options. Meal plan number 2. Daily Harvest specializes in vegan, dairy-free, and gluten-free meals. Daily Harvest provides plant-based smoothies, bowls, and meals that are perfect for those looking for vegan and gluten-free options. The service is focused on delivering clean, organic ingredients with minimal preparation. Meal Plan Number 3. Trifecta specializes in keto, paleo, vegan, vegetarian, gluten-free, and clean eating. Trifecta offers macro-balanced meals with options for gluten-free, keto, and vegan diets. They emphasize organic ingredients and are particularly popular among athletes and those focused on fitness and performance. Meal Plan Number 4. Epicured specializes in gluten-free, low FODMAP, dairy-free, and vegetarian. Epicured is a medical-grade meal delivery service that focuses on gluten-free and low FODMAP diets, which are especially beneficial for people with digestive issues like IBS or celiac disease. They also offer dairy-free and vegetarian options. Meal Plan Number 5. Vistro specializes in vegan, gluten-free, nut-free, and high-protein. Viestro delivers fully prepared, plant-based meals with a large selection of gluten-free options. Their meals are all vegan, and they offer a variety of plans, including weight loss and high protein. Meal Plan Number 6. Sunbasket specializes in paleo, gluten-free, vegan, vegetarian, pescatarian, Mediterranean, diabetes-friendly, lean and clean. Sunbasket offers a wide range of organic produce and sustainably sourced ingredients. Their gluten-free and vegan meals are designed by dietitians, making them a great option for those with dietary restrictions or preferences. Chapter 8. Long-term savings. Beyond the kitchen, something we often don't think about is long-term savings. Sure, you save money on food, but you're also saving something more valuable, and that's your time. By eliminating trips to the grocery store and reducing time spent meal prepping and cleaning, you free up hours each week. This gives you more time to focus on things that matter, whether it's a passion project, family time, or just recharging. In the long run, that's worth a lot. These are just some of the benefits of meal delivery services. They aren't just a convenient way to eat, they're a smart way to save time and money. From cutting out trips to the grocery store to reducing food waste and streamlining your cooking and cleaning, the benefits are clear. If you've tried a meal delivery service or are thinking about it, let me know in the comments below. Mention the ones you like the most and why, so that others might get inspired. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Health Equals Wellness so you don't miss out on more life-changing tips. Until next time, enjoy every minute of that time however you like.